the dangers of the enemy. But I'm not.
Baby, I need to ask you a question, please. Why do you like endangering our lives? Why?
Honey, what are you talking about?
What I'm talking about is the fact that we are living with a mentally deranged person, a sick person, a mentally challenged person under our roof. Why?
Honey, don't you think you're overreacting? This girl hasn't done anything to be considered violent.
Oh, so you're waiting for her to stab someone or probably kill you before you will know that she's a mad person. Is that it?
I don't know, but like I said earlier, baby, I think we're pushing this thing too much. She hasn't gotten to that. She hasn't displayed any violent actions or something. Like,
are you even listening to yourself talk? No, baby, for once, have you even thought about the voices that she hears? Have you thought about the commands, what they could be telling her? What if she stabs you or does something? Jesus, why are you not understanding where I'm coming from? Why?
Again, honey, I feel like we are reading too much to this. I mean, I spoke with her teacher earlier today and she assured me that there's nothing abnormal about Angela.
There you go again. That is the problem I have with you. Sometimes you sound like a wacky illiterate. There you go again. Talking about those wacky-tacky, useless, shredded teachers. Those people who depend on, those useless, darling Yankee with horns. People who cannot even fix a good hair. Those are the people you're listening to. Forgetting the fact that a mad woman can be triggered at any time, anywhere. Are you kidding me right now? Listen to me, babe. The earlier we take that girl to a mentally home, the better for both of us. Because when she will be triggered, you and I will not be able to contain or hold her back.
Okay.
Good. Some tacky-wacky, shredded illiterate t-shirts.
What happened there? What's going on?
Please, I just feel her.
My body's itching me.
Why?
I don't know. I think there's something in my cream.
There's something in your cream. Baby, can't you see the evidence? It's providently very clear to you. It's obvious, right in your eyes. Baby, this girl is mad. All you need to do is to call a psychiatric hospital. Call the doctor to come and fix her up. Bundle her out of her house.
No, I'm not mad. I'm not mad.
Baby, this girl is mad. And trust me, if you go close to her, you start backing like a bird. You want to start backing like some dog? You want to start doing whoa. Is that what you want?
Hello, doctor. Please, I have an emergency in my house. Can you come as fast as you can?
What the hell is wrong with you? What does the doctor have to do with this? I said you should call a psychiatric doctor, not some family doctor. Don't go there. If she bites you, you start backing like a rock. You want to start backing like a dog like whoa. Is that what you want to start doing?
Uncle, please, I need it. My hands are itchy, Uncle.
Baby, this is a sign of madness.
Who want to find happiness, but my gift bestowed a lot of task upon me. If you can listen to me, then I will tell you what I have and unveil the hidden enemy. I am not the enemy. Why wouldn't you listen to me? I want to save you from the dangers of the enemy. But I'm not the enemy. The enemy is this guy.
Has the doctor gone?
Yes. The doctor said that she's reacting to some sort of chemical she came across with.
Chemical? Chemical from where?
I don't know. Isn't that ridiculous?
Oh. So sorry, but she's getting better, right?
Yes, honey, I'm glad that the doctor did not link her situation as mental illness. That proven to say that Angela is actually fine after all.
I see. I'm so happy she's getting better. You know, baby, the way you took your time to come and actually sit beside Angela, one could literally tell that you're going to be a good father.
Of course you know that. I am a good father.
Yes, you are a good father. Angela, please do get well soon. I'll fix something downstairs. Okay?
Okay.
You listen to me, yeah. I want to save you from the dangers of the enemy, but I'm not the enemy. Oh, the enemy is disguised. Yeah. Just listen.
For a house like this and a life like this, I would abandon the plan. Shayla is so stupid. For who is she doing all this for? And who is she working so hard for? She has to throw away her only opportunity of having the perfect life? God, I wish I had her life. She has no idea how envious of her I am. You must be the husband's niece. Why are you staring at me so intensely?
Ma, what can I offer you? You're welcome.
Please cut off with that pretentious act of yours. Because you and I know that you've already read her mind. You're the worst creature to live with a human.
You know, I didn't want to until I saw black smoke covering her. And Sheila, you both deserve a trap.
How dare you? Have you lost it? Come and get yourself out of my sight. Your multicolored words.
You must be dealing with a lot.
I've been dealing with a whole lot, girl. That's as really a lot of them. You know, all my plans to send her to asylum just went in vain. I don't have any other idea in my head. I don't know what else to do to kick this girl out of this house. But she's driving me nuts.
Honestly.
This girl needs to leave my house. Oh, my dear, please. My bad. What do I have for you? Get some wine.
Angela, why didn't you buy the mathematical set your teacher asked you to buy?
Uncle, I don't have money to buy it.
I don't get it. What do you mean that you don't have money? Ensure that my wife gives you enough weekly allowance, as huge as that of an adult salary, for every week. And you stand here and look me in the face and tell me you don't have money. What kind of embarrassment is that?
Actually, Uncle, my allowance hasn't been paid this month. Auntie Sheila did...
Are you mad? No, are you sick? Is something wrong with you upstairs? Who the hell is your mate here? How dare you mention my name, Auntie what? Auntie Sheila? Do you know the full name of Sheila? When they created Sheila, you weren't born, honey. How dare you? Who the hell do you think you want to call my name? Are you sick? Baby, trust me, I've been giving this millipede, this tiny brat, I've been giving her allowance. I don't know what she's been doing with it. I knew you were going to lie.
Angela,
Look
is
at her.
that true? Asam, is that true?
Are you joking right now? No, say a word. What do you want to say? Say it and let me tell you to shred. Look at her wearing some green white like some cost generation in Nigeria. Are you sick in the head? Are you mad? Is something wrong with you? In other words, you're trying to say that I am lying, right? No, I am lying. Baby, I've been giving this girl her money. Guess what? You think I don't know? I will tell my husband. Baby, guess what? This girl has been going about spending her money on her old friends in the village. She buys them a whole lot of gifts, trying to feel big and belong. So how is it my fault that she left her education to go and buy things for her useless tacky-wacky friends? How is it my fault?
Angela, I hope that's not true.
What do you mean by I hope? Are you by any chance trying to say that I am lying? Is that what you're trying to say?
Honey, calm down. I understand actually how you feel, but she has been warned as well. I believe she won't repeat that again. Going forward, I would like to know what you do with your weekly allowance. Did I make myself clear?
Hey, I am here.
Honey, please.
You know what? I don't even know what I'm doing here with both of you. Sick.
Please listen to me. Hey, I am not the enemy. Why wouldn't you listen to me? I want to save you from the day.
What could be the contents?
You should check it out. Dear Angela, the love of my life,
I've
missed you so bad that I can't wait for Monday to come and see you when you're going to school. I cannot forget how soft your body felt against my touch, and the thought of your skin against me makes me go hard. I cannot forget. I can't wait to have you in my arms. Your lover, Jumbo. Who the hell is Jumbo?
Angela, who is Jumbo and what do you have with him?
I don't know who Jumbo is. I have not even seen any man. No man has touched me.
Shut up your mouth, you liar. I knew you were going to deny it. Who the hell is Jumbo?
I have never seen Jumbo. I don't even know who Jumbo is. I don't even know if Jumbo even exists.
In other words, what are you trying to say? That this letter it grew wings and then flew itself into this compound and dropped it on top of the car. Is that what you're trying to say? What the hell is Jumbo?
Angela, I'm going to give you a chance to come clean and tell me the truth. But if I find out that you're lying to me, trust me, you're going to hate me because I will never forgive you.
I'm telling you the truth. Someone is trying to make me look bad.
Did you hear that? Who the hell is that somebody? I'll wipe your brains off your head. Are you sick? I don't understand. No, are you not? No, does she have dementia? What the hell? What the hell is? No, let me. Are you crazy?
Please, just let her be, okay? Just let it go. Come on, get into the car. Let's go.
Network.
Honey, please come.
Please listen to me. Hey, I am not the enemy. Why wouldn't you listen to me? I want to save you from the danger zone. I'm just an innocent child who wants to find happiness, but my gift bestowed a lot of tasks upon.
I just want to be left alone, please.
I know you're the one behind that letter. You want my uncle to consider me sport, right? Why are you doing this?
I see what you're trying to do there. You know, you're actually a very smart girl. You're trying to make me to accept that I did it, so you can have an evidence. I'm not going to give you that hand. I won't give you that opportunity. Now tell me, when last did you hear anything about me? Can you still read my thoughts?
No, I can't read your thoughts anymore.
Beautiful. You know why? That's because I am now in charge. Yes. Henceforth, you will no longer read my thoughts. Now tell me, honey bunny, how does it feel to know that your precious gifts can be controlled by another? How does it feel?
Why do you make me feel bad in front of my uncle?
Oh.
Why? What did I do to you?
There's some tears. It's not even dropping. Aww. You know, making you look bad is just a very easy task for me to do because I've done that. I've done that already. I want your ass kicked out to the streets so you can suffer and die. That's what I want from you. Your brother is a grown-up. He can take care of himself. He doesn't even need your protection. So all you need to do for me is to get the hell out. Smell out. That's all.
Whatever you want, I won't give it to you. I will stop you.
Then your suffering just begun. Stink out of my sight right now.
Yes, my love.
This is for you.
Nice. Are you not going to be drinking with me?
No, baby. You know, I wish I could, but my situation wouldn't let me. Even for this reason.
What is this? What? Baby, this is great news.
Of course it is.
I'm going to be a father.
Yes,
for real.
You are going to be a father. I'm pregnant.
Wow. Listen, I'm so happy. I'm very, very happy about this.
Yes, baby, I know you've always wanted this.
Baby, are you trying to say that my child is in there?
Yes, baby. I mean, for real. This time around, for real, baby. I'm pregnant.
You're making me a father.
Yes, baby.
Baby, listen. I am so happy about this. And because of that, I wanted to make a request. Ask me of anything that you want and I will get it done. In as much as not the head of a king, I will do it for you.
Really? You know, that reminds me, babe. There's this business my friend was actually telling me about.
Okay.
You know, she said we could invest something like 40 million and then we get 80 million in 3 months.
Wow.
Maybe we should just do it and then the profit would belong, it will become our child's own, maybe our son.
Wow, that's brilliant. Maybe, you know, I was expecting you to ask for yourself, but you didn't. Rather, you asked for that of our child.
Of course, baby, our child comes first.
That shows how beautiful you are in and outside. I like that about you.
Thank you.
Baby, you listen. Consider it done.
No, baby, you're joking. Baby,
Don't look like I'm joking. I'm telling you the fact.
No, baby, you're joking.
Do I look like I'm joking?
Oh my God!
Anything
Thank
for
you
you, baby.
so much, baby. 40 million. Okay, thank you so much. You know, I can't wait for our baby to grow. I'm sure it's going to be a boy. And then we have all this investment for him. It's a whole lot.
I'm glad I have
I love you, baby.
I love you more. You're everything and more that I want in a woman. Thank God.
I'm sure he's a boy.
I want my family to be strong and healthy.
Tying her mouth and her eyes.
Isn't that too extreme? Tying her eyes and mouth at the same time.
If you don't know this girl, do you want her to move freely and hear our conversation?
Listen, if dropping is not even the problem. The problem right here is that she's able to read our minds.
Exactly.
She has the ability to read and know our plans. So trust me, what we did just now was the best option.
Actually, it's the best.
Now that the pregnancy news has brought 40 million naira, and we know that the pregnancy is a sham, what are we going to do? In 9 months, a baby is expected. What's the plan?
Oh, are you thinking of adopting a day-old baby? You know, there are so many girls in the black market ready to give her a child for the right amount.
And have myself go in jail for crime, right? You must be joking. I'm not going to do that. Listen, guys. At this point, we've gotten 40 million naira due to our fake pregnancy results. So what we should do is to look for our another strategic plan. And that is miscarriage. We should be thinking of how to get fresh blood in order to make it look real.
You were right.
Yeah, I think you have a point. That's a very good plan.
Yeah.
Which is the one's home.
This guy.
So how is it going with the competition? Have they accepted to merge us on this project?
Man, these guys don't look serious. I feel they want to bail on us. I don't think they want to get us involved in this.
So we should come up with a different plan then.
I guess that's right. Something different. I guess that'll be perfect.
Strategically, this thing is becoming something else, but let's be hopeful. Jerry,
You look bored at what's going on.
do you believe in witchcraft? Do
Well,
you believe that it exists? Do you think it's something that comes into existence?
man, I don't believe in that, man. I feel someone that has witch experience should tell.
My wife thinks Angela is a witch. She feels like all the bad dreams she has been having is a result of Angela trying to hurt her. I mean her pregnancy. This has not been going well with her.
Something that is just a mere dream. Is this something you should believe? I feel it's just a mere dream. It's not something you should bother about. It's not even happening in reality. It's just a dream, my man. What do you think?
At this point, I don't even know what I think, but I don't like the situation of things in my family, and I believe everything will be fine soon.
Yeah, I believe so too. I believe so too. I believe so too. You shouldn't bother about this, bro.
Good afternoon.
My beautiful angel, you're back from school.
Yes, I am.
So, how was school today?
Just fine. Okay, are you okay? You look worried.
I'm fine. Just that I'm worried about you.
Me?
I'm worried that you might be going through something that I do not know or can help.
Well, Uncle, I'm fine. As you can see, I'm okay. Uncle, do you follow Auntie to the hospital? I mean, for like pregnancy checkup and what it's like.
Why did you ask? Are you worried about something?
I just feel like you should drive her to the hospital, meet with the doctor handling her condition. Like, you know, this is your first baby and everything has to go well.
This is the opposite of what Sheila said she dreamt of. Angela looks worried for the baby. There's no way she will harm a child she is concerned about Or could she be playing with me before she strikes so as not to be suspected? What am I supposed to believe?
Excuse me, sir. Can I speak to you? 1 minute.
With all due respect, sir, I do not believe in roadside prophecies. Please move along.
When the Lord reveals a thing, I must speak it out. She hears the sound of the cry of a child in your home. And she will do anything to make sure the cry of a child is not heard in your home.
What? I mean, why would she want to do that?
Because she wants to be the only one that is close to you. She is possessed. And she wants you to live a life of loneliness and be miserable. She has already started attacking your marriage by telling lies about your wife. You need to pray. You need to pray against the spirit of falsehood and confusion. Yes, you need to pray. You need to pray. Prayer is the key.
Come to think of it, Angela is the only girl in this house. Could this pastor be referring to her? No, nothing will happen. I just hope Angela is not guilty of all those accusations and fingers pointing at her at every given situation. I just hope it's just mere speculations.
I just need to put Marcus to sleep for days, and thankfully, the medicine man gave me a charm that can wake him up whenever I want. It'd really be nice to put him to sleep for months. You know, that way, I can have the house all to myself and do whatever I like. The charm is safely hidden under Angela's pillow, and he will never find it, not to talk more of accusing me of voodoo practices. Nicely played, Sheila.
Uncle, what happened? I heard her crying. Is she okay?
You mean, is the baby fine? They warned me. My wife warned me. They told me how evil you are. But I was just trying to believe that they were all wrong. Now it has cost me my own child, Angela.
Uncle, you have to believe me. She was only pretending. She was never pregnant.
One more word from you and I will kill you here. I think that I'm joking with you. I mean, what have I done to you to deserve all this? What have I done to you to believe, to see that you're not wishing me well?
Uncle, I swear with my life, I did not do anything to her. She was even planning to knock you out for months with one thing like that. It's kind of scary that she hid in my room.
So how did you hear her? Huh? I guess you listened to her mind. Angela, you're full of shit. Why are you doing this? Why are you doing this? I was a fool to believe in you all this while, and I have stopped believing you. I hope you're happy now. You and your coven mate can now have a delicious meal at midnight. Excuse me.
Not the enemy. Why wouldn't you listen to me? Yeah. I want to save you from the dangers of the enemy. But I'm not the enemy. Oh.
too freely for me to hear it, knowing too well I won't let it happen. I really need to save my uncle. Whatever she's planning, I won't let it happen. Uncle, at least come and eat something.
Angela, my wife is starving. You have caused us so much pain. Forgive me when I tell you I don't feel like eating, when I know that my wife is unable to eat.
Listen to me, hey. I am not the enemy. Why wouldn't you listen to me? I want to save you from the dangers of the enemy, but I'm not the enemy.
Maybe I should go and meet her. I need to convince her to eat. This act of hers has to stop. She's starving, Uncle.
The enemy is disguised. Yeah. Just listen to me. Hey.
Maybe I should just call Uncle. To think he will go to bed on an empty stomach. But you're here, eating rice, rushing it.
What are you waiting for? No, what are you waiting for? Should I get you a private jet? You should be running along already. Go and tell him. You must be very daft and stupid to actually think that you can come in between husband and my wife. You're mad. No, go ahead. By the time I'm done with you, you'll be back to the streets where you belong. Animal.
What am I supposed to do? The evil lady has manipulated my uncle against me. He now believes I'm the one responsible for the child that never exists. Mom, please come back. I miss you. Your daughter needs you right now. Now I know that she was right when she said I can never be a match for her. I can never beat her. Mom, you always tell me that good will always succeed over evil. Mom, please, I need you here. Uncle no longer trusts me or believe me. Mommy, please. What should I do? Should I run away? I wish you were here with me. I need you.
Oh man, this is so intense. I'm so confused right now. What are you thinking?
What do you expect me to think? There was a prophecy, followed by a nightmare. And then I saw Angela come inside the room with a voodoo doll, and Sheila started to bleed immediately. Listen, I think that girl is a witch and she has cost me my child.
Well, I wouldn't say you should lay fingers on her right now. Accusing her of being a witch, I just feel it's just too much for you to take in right now.
Well, I don't know what to think right now, but the evidence of Angela being guilty outweighs her declaration of innocence.
Are you considering sending her away?
Man, I'll be left with no other alternative if that's the only thing that I have to do to have a child. But I'm not going to do that anyway.
need to have seen how surprised I was when they told me she didn't come to school today. So tell me, where did he take her to?
Remember you asked me not to rely on her answers as regarding to the contraceptive pill. So I took her to the hospital for a purity test.
You did what? You took her to the hospital to certify if she's truly a virgin or not.
That was exactly what I did.
And I'm sure you were pretty disappointed. So tell me, what was the result?
Well, the doctor assured me that she's intact and never had any carnal knowledge of a man. I mean, she's a virgin, so I'm wondering what will a virgin be doing with pregnancy-controlling pills?
I mean, that is not possible. Maybe the doctor did not even look at it very well. I'm very sure. He didn't use the right objects. Besides, why are you even asking me that question? You're asking me this as if... Maybe, yes, you saw those pills with me, but I told you where I got it from. I got the contraceptive pills from her. I took it from her. So you should be asking her, what is she doing with the pills? Not me. Or probably maybe she is putting it in my food. So I do not get pregnant. You know how much this girl doesn't want us to have kids. I always told you this girl is a witch, didn't I? I told you.
That's not true. I can't do that. I haven't seen that pill before. Auntie, why are you lying on my head? The drugs belongs to you.
Are you crazy? What? Are you crazy? Are you sick? Listen, let me talk. I have given you enough freedom in this house. And if you think I'm going to let you retreat your evil plans in my husband's house and let you ruin my marriage, then you have something else coming up your sleeves. I swear to God, I will tear you to shreds.
Just take it easy. Look, I don't know what has been happening in my family. First was the love letter, and now pill. Listen, I'm not happy about this whole situation, but honey, you need to take it easy. You need to calm down, okay?
Are you even listening to yourself? How can you believe that this thing is a virgin? Baby, I am sure the doctor used 1.5 mm to check that hole down there instead of 3 mm. I'm telling you, this girl, she could swallow a whole red time horse. She could swallow it. This thing is no longer a virgin. I know what I'm telling you. This thing, try it, she will swallow you.
This girl, yeah, just listen to me. Hey, I am not the enemy. Why wouldn't you listen to me? Yeah, I want to save you from the dangers of...
You see, on one side is Sheila, my wife, saying that she wants to get pregnant so she can give me a child. Then I find a contraceptive pill. On the other hand is Angela, being accused of using those contraceptives on her sexual lifestyles, which wasn't entitled me, so I decided to take her to the hospital for a purity test. But then the doctor confirmed to me that she's intact. I mean, she's a virgin. So the question now is, what will a virgin be doing with a pregnancy prevention medication?
Wow. Do you think Sheila is lying?
To be honest with you, the evidence is bad on the side of Sheila and not Angela. I mean, why would Sheila, my wife, be taking contraceptive when she says she wants to give me a child? It's very much confusing to me. Or could it be that her last miscarriage was so hard on her and got her traumatized? There is something that Sheila is not telling me.
Calm down, my guy. Calm down, my guy. You have to be smart about this and shine your eyes. Okay? So you could figure out who is lying and who is being truthful.
Jerry, listen to me. I don't think me shining my eyes is enough, because what I'm going through here is more than me shining my eyes. The whole thing is just that the more I look is the less that I see in this situation. I don't know who is innocent and who is not. As a matter of fact, I do not know who to believe and who not to believe in this situation.
Well, you don't have any evidence leveled against both of them. So right now, you just have to relax and treat this issue with continence.
Seriously, guys, I'm in a fix. And I need you to help me out.
What is wrong? You sounded agitated on the phone.
As you can see, we have the whole house to ourselves till the next 1 hour. Until that witch comes back. My husband is beginning to suspect everything that I do. As a matter of fact, he's beginning to become uncomfortable with every single thing, every movement that I make.
But wait, let me understand something. What gave him that impression? Were you sloppy with the miscarriage?
Not at all. He saw me with a contraceptive pill. And then I've been trying to tell him that it's not mine. I tried to move it to Angela, trying to make him to hate and dislike this girl. But unfortunately, it didn't work. He had to take Angela all the way to the hospital to do a purity test. And guess what? It came out negative. She is still a virgin.
This is really serious.
What will a virgin be doing with an abortion drugs?
That's the problem. I also tried to make him feel, or even convince him, that she has been putting this in my food. So as, for me not to get pregnant. But...
You mean he didn't buy the idea?
No, he did not.
You know you're a genius. What do? You can come up with another plan, something. We will help you carry it out.
Yeah, of course. We're ready to do that.
Yes, you're right. Yeah. I am indeed a genius. And that is why I've been asking myself, what the hell am I doing with the 2 useless bamboos?
You need to calm down. We'll find a solution to this. Okay? Bring your hand.
Leave me!
Bring your hand.
Leave me! No!
Open your hand.
Leave me alone! Leave me! Leave me alone! Leave me! Leave me!
What is going on here? Oh, Angela left these pills in the car yesterday when I drove her to the supermarket. I told her to come take it back, but she refused, telling me to throw it in the trash.
It's a lie. Why are you lying? This drugs doesn't belong to me. Why is everyone accusing me of drugs I know nothing about?
Angela,
This is an abortion pill. Yes.
So, Angela, what are you doing with abortion pills?
Uncle, I swear to God, the drugs doesn't belong to me.
I'm tired of your lies. Are you trying to say that, or are you by any chance insinuating that both of them are a bunch of liars that are just lying against you? They don't know what they're saying.
Uncle, please, you have to believe me. Auntie and the driver planned this.
Are you crazy? No, what did I just hear you say? Auntie did what? Is something wrong with you? Who the hell is your auntie? No, do we look like, are you sick?
Baby, calm down. Angela, you still look me in the eyes and lie to me. That reminds me, you know how my wife continuously complaining of how you appear in her dreams, trying to hurt our baby.
But I told you this girl was a witch. She is a witch. Still a witch. I told you.
I'm seeing you with an abortion pills. What is going on? What have we done to you to deserve all this? Is this how you're going to pay me back for everything that I've done for you? Pay me back good with bad?
Uncle, please, he's lying. You have to believe me.
Who is lying? No, who the hell is lying? One more word from you and I will beat you hanky-panky. No, it belongs to me.
No, I don't know.
You know what? I'm waiting for you in the car. Just take care of your mess.
I told her to come take it, but she refused, telling me to throw it in the trash.
Why are you lying? It's a lie, Uncle, please. Uncle.
Come here, pick this, pick it, pick it. Pick this quick now! Come here! Stubborn girl.
It feels bad to know that my niece has made it her business to ruin my happiness. Angela wants to kill me, and I know she will stop at nothing until she achieves this. At what length? And what I do not know is why she's doing all those things. After everything that I've done for her, and she have the guts to treat me this way. I just need my wife to say the word, and I'll just kick her out of this house. I've had enough of this nonsense.
They have finally succeeded in accusing me for what I did not do. To my uncle, he thinks I'm the one that got rid of his baby that never existed.
Look, you just have to calm down, okay? You just have to be strong. Listen, let me explain things to you. Number one, your uncle trusts his wife so much, but he doesn't know that she is working against him. Number two, you are the only one who knows about this and can expose her. That is why she has been trying so hard to cast doubt in the relationship between you and your uncle to take away the trust he has for you.
What am I supposed to do? I have taken so much pain just to save my uncle. I think she was right. I can never beat her. Never.
You cannot give up now. You are the only one who can save your uncle. If you give up now, who will save him?
Then who will save me? Right now, my uncle thinks that I'm a worst person. He's thinking of getting rid of me. Maybe I should just run away.
No.
Yes.
Don't even say that. Running away is not an option. Don't do that. Now, okay, listen. Your uncle may be a grown-up and an adult, but he is synonymous to the blind, as he cannot see what has been going on in that house, and he cannot say the truth from the lies. You are the only one who knows everything that has been going on in that house. I want you to calm down. You are the only one who sees everything. I want you to calm down and wait for the perfect time to expose these evil people. She is evil. She is wicked. Please. Okay? Stop crying. You have to stop crying. Be strong. God cannot make you to go through what you cannot overcome. It's okay.
You spirit of darkness, I command you, come out of her. You evil spirit, come out of her now. Come out of her. Come out of her. You evil spirit, come out of her. You spirit of darkness, I command you, come out of her. Come out of her. Leave her now. You spirit of darkness, I said come out. Come out. Oh, you're stubborn. You're stubborn. You are stubborn. You are stubborn. Okay. Wait for Holy Ghost Koboko. Holy Ghost Koboko. Wait for Holy Ghost Koboko. Holy Ghost Koboko. Ikaya tapasete reboshete hikaraba. Holy Ghost Koboko. Holy Ghost Koboko.
Stop it!
What is this? What, Prophet? What was this? What have you done?
Stop it!
Be calm, young man. What have you done? Prophet, calm down, young man. The demons have just left.
They just left. They just exited her body. That's how they behave when they want to leave the demon's body.
So this is how demons live?
Yes, baby, you have to believe me. That's how they leave.
I can take my leave now.
Yes, Prophet. Don't, not with you. Do you know how many demons that are leaving this body? You can't do that. Someone out of experience is telling you that this is the way they behave when the demons want to leave one's body. Please, let's go before you get infected.
Are you sure about this?
Baby, let's go.
She can't do that.
What's the meaning of this?
I just hope she's gonna get better.
Is she going to be fine? She has been out for over 2 hours now.
She's going to be fine. And probably maybe she'll say something.
Yeah, you're right. Maybe she just go downstairs and make her something to eat. I know she'll be hungry by the time she wakes up.
Okay, I have something already. I'll just go and dish it out.
Okay, let's go down there.
I'm just an innocent child who want to find happiness, but my gift bestowed a lot of tasks upon me. If you can listen to me, then I will tell you what.
Have it up.
Why are you giving me food? Wait. Do you want to finish what the prophet started?
Excuse you? Beg your pardon? Oh, you actually think I'm gonna kill you? Why would you think I'll waste my time trying to kill someone like you? Listen, if I wanted to kill you, certainly not with this food and not in this house. I'll keep you where no one can ever find you. So if I were you, I'd rather eat to have enough strength to practice my witchcraft activities. So do you want to eat? Or should I take it back?
Do you want to finish what the prophet started?
Open your mouth and eat. I don't have all day.
I don't want to eat your food.
We eat it. Eat it so you have enough strength to fly at night. Eat it. Open it. Ah! Yeah! I said sorry now.
First time I'm seeing my sister in my dreams after her death. My sister is not happy wherever she is. I have failed her and her daughter. Angela is innocent, yet I treated her like a winch. Something is not just right for my sister to appear to me for the very first time to warn me. That practically shows that Angela might be in danger. I should go look out for her. I need to go check up on her. I just hope she's fine. Where is Sheila? Where's my wife?
Your deepest thoughts, she hides all. So no secret, no secret. She has it all. So no secret, no secret. 'Cause she knows what you're thinking. No secret, no secret. She can hear your thoughts. Oh, she's a gift
Angela.
child.
Angela! Angela!
She can read your mind and hear what you say. Even your tiniest whisper, she hears it all.
Honey, where you at? Oh, okay. I can't find Angela. Where is she? None of her things is here. She's gone. Listen, I never liked this idea of Deliverance thing. I believe it's what got her scared and she ran out of the house. Oh, I can't believe this. I failed her and I failed my sister. If anything happens to her, I'm not going to forgive myself. Please get me my car key. I need to go and look for her. I need my car key. I need to go and look for her now.
I'm just an innocent child who want to find happiness, but my gift bestowed a lot of tasks upon me. If you can listen to me, then I will tell you what I have and unveil the hidden enemy. I am not the enemy. Why won't you listen to me? I want to save you from the dangers of the enemy. But I'm not the enemy. Oh, the enemy is this guy. Yeah. Please listen to me. I am not the enemy. Why won't you listen to me? I want to save you from the dangers of the enemy. But I'm not the enemy. Oh, the enemy is this guy. Yeah. Please listen to me. I'm just an innocent child who want to find happiness, but my gift bestowed a lot of tasks upon me. If you can listen to me, then I will tell you what I have and unveil the hidden enemy. I am not the enemy. Why won't you listen to me? I want to save you from the dangers of the enemy. But I'm not the enemy. Oh, the enemy is this guy. Yeah. Please listen to me. I am not the enemy. Why won't you listen to me? I want to save you from the dangers of the enemy. But I'm not the enemy. Oh, the enemy is this guy. Yeah. Please listen to me. I'm just an innocent child who want to find happiness, but my gift bestowed a lot of tasks upon me. If you can listen to me, then I will tell you what I have and unveil the hidden enemy. I am not the enemy. Why won't you listen to me? I want to save you from the dangers of the enemy. But I'm not the enemy. Oh, the enemy is this guy. Yeah. Just listen to me. I am not.
I can't believe that she didn't show up. Where did she go to?
I am worried too. She has been very stressed and actually thought about running away. I dissuaded her, but I never knew she would still carry out her thoughts.
I guess I pushed her away. That girl has been hurt and lonely. I know she confides in you. Is there something that you know that I do not have an idea of?
Even if she confided some personal things with me, I am not in the position to discuss it with anyone. Not even you. Let's wait for her to return safe and sound. Then we can listen to her. I really hope you were able to put your opinions aside and listen to her.
I have been trying. But Sheila and Angela seems to have a different views. I can't believe one without the other person thinking that I do not trust them.
Then you have to find a balance between your duties to your wife and the other one to your niece. You really have to find that balance. Yes, Angela is too young. She's going through a lot at her age. You are the only one she has. Well, I have confidence she will show up soon.
Let me know if she comes around.
I cannot promise you that. I have to see her first to be sure that you and your wife did not hurt her before she left the house. Yes, if not, I will have to do everything to keep her away from you and your wife. I am really disappointed. Have a good day.
Keep my niece away from me.
Good day, sir.
How are you?
Sir, please, can I be working as your assistant?
You look worried. What happened to you? Are you okay?
Sir, it's a long story, but I'll be fine if you help me. And if I help you, you have to give me food and money.
Well, as you can see, I can't give you a lot because I don't make a lot of profit here. But how much will you be needing to go home with?
3,000 naira, sir.
Well, that means you have to work like for 1 week. Is that okay with you?
1 week? 1 week? It won't be enough for...
Good day here. Yes, I need a very cold Fanta. Angela, why are you pretending not to know me again? What are you doing here? Where have you been?
I'm trying to save up to go back to the village. And I cannot talk to you now. I need to attend to other customers.
No. You have to talk to me. Because your uncle has been worried sick about you. He has been searching for you all over the town. Looking for... Where have you been? What are you doing here?
I don't understand. Why would he be looking for me? He should be glad that this witch has finally left his house. He can have any amount of children he has to know that this witch will not be there to kill his children.
Look, I understand your pains. I understand how you are feeling now. But going back to the village is not an option. Do you want to continue with this lifestyle? How will you cope? How can you feed yourself? Do you want to be a school dropout? I know you wouldn't want.
It's better not to be in a good situation than to be killed by my uncle's wife. I was being flogged all in the name of deliverance, till I passed out by a man. I am not going back there.
You were flogged? No. This is not fair. This is not fair. Look, listen to me. I want you to pack your things. I want you to speak to your madam now. Pack your things and follow me to my house. You're welcome to my house. I want you to follow me. Let's think about what is going on. Let's put our heads together. You cannot continue like this. Okay?
Really?
Yes. And I want you to do it now. Speak to her or I will speak to her myself. Okay? I'll be waiting. I'll be waiting for you, okay?
So now
I have good news.
What is it this time around? Did you find Angela?
Something close to that. I have this friend of mine who introduced me to a private investigator. Trust me, he is internationally recommended. It's very good, but quite expensive.
So are you trying to say that he's going to find Angela and bring her back to this house?
Maybe he's not just going to find Angela, he's going to bring her back safely. And we're talking about 5 million naira here.
Wow, this is the best news I've heard so far ever since you left this house. I'm going to give you the necessary requirements that you need. I don't have issues with that. 5 million you will get first thing tomorrow morning.
Really?
I'm serious. I mean, I will do anything to find Angela. She's all I've got now.
Don't worry, babe. You know we are family. And I promise you Angela will return back. Okay?
I just hope so.
She will.